Something's got to change, they say. The Missouri State Auditor says up to 200,000 homeowners were victims of the assessment process. Tonight, we're taking an in-depth look at the audit and what it means for homeowners in Jackson County. You will hear from the state auditor, Jackson County legislator, homeowners, and a local man who helped make the audit happen. KSHP 41's Grant Stevens begins our team coverage with a closer look at what the state auditor found.
While the audit is not complete, our initial work has identified deficiencies and noncompliance with state law.
State Auditor Scott Fitzpatrick outlined several issues in these preliminary findings. Boiling them down to the core, Fitzpatrick says state law protects people from the complicated tax process by making sure they know their rights before they pay.
And in many cases, left them to navigate a bureaucratic maze on their own without any information they needed to do it successfully.
State law says it's the Assessments Department's duty to do that. He claims Jackson County's assessors didn't.
The results we're unveiling today are not a silver bullet for the people of Jackson County, but they do provide evidence that the Assessment Department failed to meet its statutory obligation to properly notify taxpayers of their rights during the reassessment process.
Fitzpatrick alleges that didn't happen for up to 200,000 people who saw an increase of more than 15%. He further alleges letters that were supposed to tell people their rights didn't adequately do so. They weren't sent to everyone, only about a quarter of people who required notification, and if they were, sent too late for taxpayers to do anything about it. He also says the inspections, if they were completed, weren't done to the letter of the law.
Even though we're in the initial stages of our work, it's already become obvious that the Assessment Department violated the law by providing untimely and legally deficient notices to taxpayers during the assessment process.
You see, we're joined now by Grant Stevens, and while property value isn't the only thing that determines your property taxes, it is a factor, and Grant, those bills are still due December 31st, so what should homeowners keep in mind now?
Well, if you were thinking about not paying them, maybe waiting this out, you definitely should pay. Fitzpatrick says you should pay them under protest and then settle out the legal issues later, once that's more settled.
So these are just the initial findings, though, brother. Where do we go from here?
Well, from here, the rest of the findings. The rest of the findings will come hopefully over the next couple months, but possibly, he said before, hopefully this time next year. From there, we will go to a stage where we'll start seeing the state get involved, potentially legislators get involved, but that all has to come after this audit is finished.
We have heard from so many people involved in this process, homeowners on a fixed income, wondering how they're going to pay for their taxes and their mortgage upcoming. Grant, thanks for this.